Parametric Facade Mastery, Rebuilding Real Projects with Grasshopper. 4 key learning objectives for your parametric facade design with Grasshopper Rhino course. Master the basics of Grasshopper, gain a solid understanding of Grasshopper's interface, components, and workflow for parametric design. Recreate iconic parametric facades, learn how to rebuild real-world parametric facade designs, step by step, using Grasshopper Rhino. Develop custom parametric facades, apply your skills to design unique, adaptive, and scalable facade systems tailored to specific architectural needs. Optimize design workflow for efficiency. Improve your design process with advanced Grasshopper techniques, enabling faster iterations and smarter solutions for facade design. By the end of the course, you will have built several iconic parametric facades and developed the confidence to create your own complex designs. This course is ideal for anyone looking to improve their parametric design skills in a short time and apply them in real architectural projects. Master parametric facade design with Grasshopper, recreate real projects, learn advanced techniques, and optimize design workflows.